Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Aided English Version School, Haque. Today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student. Our today's topic is Chapter 13. The name of the chapter is Food and Nutrition, and this is the part 1. Dear students, let's start the class and take your textbook in your hand, open page number 134 and follow the class with your textbook. Today we will read from 134 to 137 page. Dear students, let's follow the class. The name of the chapter, Food and Nutrition. At present, there are thousands of species of animals living in this world. They show variation in their shape, size and characteristics as well as in lifestyle, nature, food and feeding habit. Therefore, food is very essential for sound and healthy human body. Adequate knowledge about food and nutrition is the precondition of sound and healthy body. Dear students, underline this line. Adequate knowledge about food and nutrition is the precondition of sound and healthy body. We eat organic compounds like proteins, carbohydrates, fats and oils, etc. as food. We get nutrition from this food. Organic compounds which are used by organisms for their growth, repair and production of energy are called food. Dear students, underline this line. This is the definition of food. Organic compounds which are used by organisms for their growth, repair and production of energy are called food. And mark this line also, and from this food living being get nutrition. Now the question is, what is nutrition? Now, we are going to the next point, nutrition, nutritional value and food element. Dear students, look at the picture, that there is some picture of foods, that is ghee, that is oily food, that is the picture of egg, it gives us protein and vitamins, and that picture is potatoes that provide us carbohydrates, and that is a mixed food, milk, it provides vitamins, minerals and protein, some fat also. This is the picture of rice, this is carbohydrate food. This is a picture of vegetable, that is cauliflower, it provides some protein, minerals and vitamins. And this is the picture of a roast chicken, that means it provides us protein. And this is the picture of bread, that means it is also provide us carbohydrate. Now go to the reading portion. To run an engine, coal, diesel, petrol, natural gas, etc. are used. Can you say what these fuel are used for? These fuel are burned to produce energy. This energy provides speed to the vehicles. The vehicles are kept running by this energy. The human body is composed with an engine. Like other engine, energy is needed to run our human body. Dear students, this line is important for your MCQ. The human body is composed with an engine. Like other engines, energy is needed to run our body. From where we get this energy? Food fulfills the need of nutrition in our body and supplies energy. Dear students, underline this line also. This is important for your MCQ and knowledge based question answer. The living organism is the main source of food. Food is mainly composed of different compounds. We get food mainly from plants and animals. By food, we mean the organic elements used for the growth, of the body and production of energy for living beings. Dear students, you can give the upper definition of the food and you can give this definition also. This is another definition of food. You can give this definition also, what is as the answer of what is food. The ingredients of food or nutritive substance present in food perform mainly three functions of our body. For example, growth, repair and maintenance of the body, provide heat and calorie, prevent disease, ensure sound health and control metabolic activities. Dear students, mark these 3 points. You have to memorize these 3 points. The function of nutrition or food. Now go to the next point. This next point is nutrition and nutrition value. Nutrition is a process. In this process, food having eaten is digested and complex food stuff is broken up into simple elements are absorbed in human body. That means nutrition is a process. In this process, food having eaten, digested and complex food stuff is broken up into simple elements are absorbed in human body. This process is called nutrition. Being absorbed, these food elements repair the already decayed cells of different organ and produce new cells for the growth of the body. Besides, food also produces heat, provides nutrition to prevent diseases and maintenance of our body. All these activities of the body are included in the nutrition process. Therefore, the nutrition elements mean the valuable elements of dietary food which ensure energy and appropriate growth of the body. That means the nutrition elements means the valuable elements dietary food which ensure energy, appropriate growth of the body and enhance merit and intelligence, prevent diseases, help for quick recovery for illness and make human being active. Mark this line and this is so important for you. The food value of any food depends on the amount and type of elements present in food. For example, boiled rice contains 79% carbohydrates and 6% fatty substance. Besides, it contains a minute amount of proteins, vitamins and mineral salts. 345 to 349 kilocalorie energy is obtained from 100 gram of rice. Dear students, underline this line. This line is so important for your MCQ. The boiled rice contains carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins, but the amount of carbohydrates is found more in it. So, rice falls in the group of carbohydrates. In order to know the nutrition value of any food, we need to know the nature of the food. The nature of the food means whether it is a mixed food or pure one. In a mixed food, more than one nutrition elements are present. For example, egg, milk, hodgepodge. Hodgepodge in Bengali we said it as vegetable khichuri, then guava, etc. On the other hand, in a pure food, only one element is found. For example, sugar, glucose. There is sugar or glucose. There is no other elements except carbohydrate in it. That means we get a name. The mixed food is egg, milk, hodgepodge, guava, and the pure food is sugar, glucose. This part also important for your MCQ. Now we are going to the next point. The name of the next point is food elements. Food is composed of a number of chemical elements. These chemical elements are called food nutrients. there is hardly any food which is made of only one element. Based on its nutrients, food is classified into three groups. For example, proteins. The work of protein is, the function of protein repairs, growth and development of the body. Next one is carbohydrate. The function of carbohydrate is produce energy. The third one is lipid or fats. The function of lipid or fats is generate heat and energy. Dear students, mark these points. You have to memorize this. This is for so much important for your question answer, MCQ and knowledge based question answer also. Besides these, other three nutrients of food are also essential. For example, vitamins. The function of vitamins is helps in prevention of disease, increasing energy and stimulation different physiochemical reaction. The second one is mineral salts. They take part in different physiological activities. Third one is water. Maintains water balance in the body, controls the qualities of the cells and helps in thermoregulation. Dear students, mark these 3 points also. That means you have to memorize the 6 nutrients, name of the food, protein, carbohydrate, lipids, vitamins, mineral salts and water. I know you have learned this from your previous science book and you know the functions of all of this, but you have to remember this again for your MCQ and knowledge based question answer. Dear students, from among of these we will start today only one, we will discuss today only one food nutrients, that is carbohydrate. That means in part 1 of food and nutrition we will discuss only one food and nutrients, that is carbohydrate, and that is the first food and nutrients. We usually eat roti, puffed rice, that means muri, chira, bread at our breakfast. These are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy producing food. Underline this line. Among different elements of our food, carbohydrate dominates. The carbohydrate dominates. The carbohydrates are easily digested. All carbohydrates, underline this line also, carbohydrates are easily digested. All carbohydrates are composed of 3 fundamental elements, namely carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. That means all carbohydrates are made up with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In our body, carbohydrate provides energy for work. Underline this line too. In our body, carbohydrates provides energy for work. Glucose is a kind of simple carbohydrate. On the basis of chemical composition, carbohydrate is divided into 3 groups. They are monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide is made up with only one molecule, that is monosaccharide, which carbohydrate have 2 molecules, that is disaccharide, and which carbohydrate have so many molecules, that is polysaccharide. Only one carbohydrate molecules makes monosaccharide. Underline this line. Dear students, only one carbohydrate molecules make monosaccharide and 2 carbohydrate molecule makes disaccharide and many carbohydrate molecules make polysaccharide. That this is also called simple carbohydrate. Underline this line also. This is also called simple carbohydrate. Through digestion, disaccharide and the polysaccharide turn into simple carbohydrate, that means monosaccharide, and get absorbed into the body. For the balanced nutrition of the body, simple carbohydrate is very important because human body can only absorb it. That means human body can only absorb the simple carbohydrate. See, this is the figure of carbohydrates, that is sugar, that is rice, this is rooties and potato and corn. All are carbohydrate foods that included to our daily meals. Of the three carbohydrates, glucose, fructose and galactose, glucose gets into the whole body through bloodstream. Underline this line also. Among carbohydrates, lipid and proteins, carbohydrate is easily digested. We have already said this and marked this line. It generates heat very quickly and supply energy. We also learned this in previous lines. To the body, 1 gram of carbohydrate can produce 4 kilocalorie of heat. Underline this line, 1 gram carbohydrate can produce 4 kilocalorie of heat. The demand of carbohydrate depends on age, weight of the body, height and the amount of hard work. That means carbohydrate demand is not same for all. It depends on age, weight of the body, height and the amount of hard work. An adult male person needs 4.6 gram of carbohydrates per kg of his body weight. Out of total requirement, we should intake 60 to 70% of calorie from carbohydrate. That means an adult male person needs 4.6 gram of kilocalorie carbohydrate per kg of his body weight. That means if a person's weight is 60 kg, then he need 60 into 4.6, that means 6 6 is 36 and 6 4 is 24, 6 6 is 36, 6 4 is 24 and 3 27. That means 276 gram carbohydrate daily. And out of total requirement, we should intake 60 to 70% of calorie from carbohydrate. Now, dear students, come to the deficiency related diseases. The intake of carbohydrate, eat more or less, both have negative impact on our body. Due to the deficiency of carbohydrate, malnutrition occurs. That means due to the deficiency of carbohydrate, malnutrition occurs. The disease name will be malnutrition. If there is a fall of carbohydrate in blood, symptom of hypoglycemia appears. For example, feeling appetite, nausea, excessive sweating, irregular heartbeat, all are happens for the deficiency of carbohydrate in our blood. Dear students, I have gave some homework for you. This is homework number 4, 10 knowledge based question and its answer also. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. You can contact with me and I will try to solve your problem and do the homework, because you will get marks in your city diary and SBA marks on the based on of your performance on the homework. So learn carefully, abide by your parents, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.